will begin with the naming of ketones. Ketones are these compounds, C double bond O, and here also R, here also R. Anyway, so here also R, here also R. So these are alkyl groups, right? Different alkyl groups are there. Yeah, or maybe same alkyl groups are there, but some C will be related to it. Now it can be CH3, it can be CH2, CH3, whatever. Right or wrong? So how to name it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Butan 2-on or 2-buta. Buzzli. Now what happens is butan 2-on or 2-butanol you get. See here. These are all common names given. First of all, I can tell you about common names. So this side also, this is CS3, C double O, CS3. If I break it, it will be are you getting my point? So if it is CS3, C double bond O, CS3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, prop. So propanone. But they are calling it dimethyl ketone as a common name. That can be said. If you break this one, it will be like CH3 bonded to C double bond O, bonded to CH2, CS3. Just now the thing I named. 1, 2, 3, 4, butan 2-on. But they are calling it ethyl, this side is checked, methyl ketone. Understood? This one is, if I draw it in the copy, it is CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CS3. If I break it, it will be CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CS3. Okay. So if I name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be pent. If I name it from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it becomes 3 only. So it is pentanone. Pentan 3-on. Are you getting my point? But they can call it diethyl ketone. They can call it diethyl ketone. Understood? So these are some common names. Some more are there. You can take. Let me explain them. See, it is CH3, CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. Let me draw it. CH3, CH3, CO, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now if I break it, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Got my point? Now what you get? You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This numbering is correct because why is this numbering correct? Because this is getting lowest. Okay, fine. So I can call it pentan 2-on. So you have just seen pentan 3-on. Now you are seeing pentan 2-on. Are you seeing the position of the carbonyl group? Now, if I have to give a common name to it, they are trying to give it. What is the common name? Methyl N-propyl ketone. Let me write it. Methyl N-propyl ketone. So now if it is methyl methyl N-propyl ketone. Why N-propyl ketone? Methyl propyl ketone বলে নাই কেন? Why N? Now let me explain. CH3 C double bond O. I could have done it like this. CH two na CH here CH3 CH3. I could have done it like this. Yes or no? Tell me. Then it's what would be its IUPAC name? 1 2 3 4 or 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. This will be side C. So it will be butan. No, sorry, 3-methyl butan 2-on. Right or wrong? But here if you see, it is isopropyl. This is N-propyl, normal, natural. But this is isopropyl, isomer, linked with the middle carbon. So that's why I call it methyl isopropyl ketone. This will be the common name. Now you understood why it was common named methyl N-propyl ketone. What is the problem? Tell me. What didn't you understand?
I didn't understand how it is N.
This is N because this is straightly linked, no? This is iso because this is branchly linked. Now understood? So I have that is the reason, no, I have showed you a iso one. Clear now, entire explanation. Okay. Now let's go into the next one. See, they have done. I am a genius, you know. I should start writing book. I've got swear I didn't see they will give this example. See, CH3CO. See, if you break it, how it will be. Let me break it here. Huh? CH3 C double bond O. Here CH is linked, so CH is linked. In bracket CH3 2 means 2 CH3. CH3 methyl isopropyl. Are you getting my point? So, but its IUPAC name will be 1 2 3 4. The one I have given here, right? What is the IUPAC name I have given here? 2,3-methyl butan 2-on. Got my point? Understood? So that is it. Now we will shift towards IUPAC naming. Let us shift towards IUPAC naming. Let us see. If anybody asks you a question, which is the first member of ketone group, what will be the answer?
C double bond O.
First member of ketone group, Baba, hold here. First member of ketone group. Like for example, CH3OH. This is the first member of alcohol group. Which is the first member of ketone group?
COCH.
C double bond O. 1C. And the others. If I have to make it a ketone, what should I put it here?
C.
CH3. Minimum. Right or wrong? And here?
CH.
Minimum. So this is the first member. If you put CH2, CH3, then it becomes the second member. Now I can argue with you that if I put C double bond O, here if I put CH3, and here if I put H, suppose, here if I put H, then will you call it a ketone? This is a what? Aldehyde. So first number, why is first member of ketone propanone? Understood? Because if you go down, means যদি propanone 3 carbonate, the 2 carbon বানাতে চাস, if you want to make 2 carbon, then what will here H will come? Yes or no? And hence it will become aldehyde. So not possible. So that is the reason why they have put here CH3 C double bond O CH3 propanol. Now this is pentan 2-on, because why are you naming from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Because you want to give it preference. So 5 carbons are there, that's why its name is pentan 2-on. Clear or not clear? Now this is what? Pentan
3-on.
3-on, CH3 CH2 C double CO CH2 CH3.
CO is a
So pentan 3-on. Now if I move little bit here, so longest chain I have to select, and I have to select such a longest chain so that C is involved. So if you start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here also in the straight chain also 5 carbons are only there. So they better name it like this. So if I would have named it like this also, numbered it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you see what is in second and fourth position, and second and fourth position we have methyl, third position we have carbonyl. So it is all the same, no problem. একটা যদি বেশি থাকতো তাহলে ডিফারেন্স ক্রিয়েট করতো, that I'll show you. But now what you are getting 2,4 dimethyl pentan 3-on. Why? Because 2 and 4 position mein there is dimethyl pentan 3. Clear? 2,4 dimethyl pentan. Understood or not? Huh? Here, this one only, a variant of this I would like to draw and show you. CH3 CH4 here, CH3, wait, fine, leave it, nothing will happen. Now CH3 CH C double bond O CH3, sorry, CH2 CH3. Okay, so now if I put a CH3 here and if I put a CH3 here, now if I start naming, numbering 1, 2, 3, this is the longest chain, no doubt, 4, 5, 6, or I can number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In which of the number carbonyl group is getting lowest?
first one.
Down one. So this is cancelled. Understood? So now it will be 2, 4 methyl hexan 3. Understood? Any problem? Okay. Hold on for a second. Both of you sit down. Okay, now you see here 2,5-dimethyl heptan 3-on. Why it is? Longest chain they have selected. Means it is very subtle to select the longest chain. See, 1, 2, 3, and longest chain plus this should be included. 1, 2, 3. This is a 1, 2, 3, not included, also wrong, not selected. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This if you select up to 6, then you will think this is right. No, but if you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the longest chain, right? So in the third position you have ketone. So 2, 5. If you would have numbered it from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it would have got fifth carbon. That would be wrong. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2,5-dimethyl heptan. Got my point? Again, here suppose you see it is butan 2,3-dione. This is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbons. 2 key carbonyl groups are there, so dione. So that's why butan 2,3-dione. now here 1 2 3 4 5. Now here see, you see I have a carbonyl group also, you have a double bond also. So do you know in double bonded carbonyl group which one you should give preference? You should always give preference to carbonyl group. Double bond will get later preference later on. Okay, you will always give preference to carbonyl group. Double bond will get preference later on. So that's why the naming 1 2 numbering is 1 2 3 4 5 or 1 2 3 4 5 doesn't matter. So it is pentan 2-on, but it is 4 methyl, right or wrong? Pent, word root pen, 3 in, third position in, and 2-on. See, in means alkene, pent 3 in, 2. Understood? So 4 methyl, pent 3 in, 2-on. Why? Because the preference is this. Clear? Understood or not? Okay. Now what do you get here? 1 cyclo. Acha. Oh, why I am reading the name first. So there is 1 2 3. Fine. First position there is a cyclohexyl. Yes or no? There is a cyclohexyl. So 1 cyclohexyl propan 1. You getting my
8
point?
carbons, that's why group. And phosphorylation on group, ketone group, that's why.
Yes,
One.
ketone group, that's, and 3 carbon, that's why propan 1 on and 1 cyclohexyl. Not cyclohexane but hexyl. Alkane से alkyl जैसे बनता है वैसे. Do you have any question here? If I say that, why did I say cyclohexyl? Why didn't I say 1 propyl, 1 ethyl, 1 ethyl cyclohexanone? Why didn't I say like this?
One ethyl.
Why didn't I say 1? Suppose I name it here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3. Why didn't I select this one as the longest chain? This contains more carbon. 1 ethyl cyclohexanone. Why didn't I do that? Why this is wrong? This is wrong because Mother Teresa. This is wrong because এইখান থেকে ডবল বন্ড থাকতে হতো তাহলে চেনের ভিতরে। চেনের মধ্যে যে कार्बनগুলো আছে মানে साइकिल মধ্যে যে कार्बनগুলো আছে, साइकिल के अंदर जो कार्बन है उसमें से डबल बॉन्ड निकलता, तब मैं देता ना। जैसे कि ऐसा बेंजीन नहीं ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ ऐसे, तो इसको 1 2 3 4 5 1 साइक्लोहेक्सानोन। अब आया समझ में बात? हाँ, यहाँ से तो नहीं उठा है ना, बाहर से उठा है। अच्छा, ये देखो जैसे ये इसको मिथाइल 2 मिथाइल साइक्लोहेक्सानोन, यहाँ पे हेक्सानोन किया नहीं। क्यों नहीं किया? क्योंकि जो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप है वो चेन के बाहर है, सॉरी चेन के बाहर है बोल रहा हूँ,
रिंग के बाद।
हाँ रिंग के बाहर, लेकिन ये रिंग से ही अटैच्ड है, तो इसीलिए रिंग का जो हेक्सानोन ये एरोमेटिक है कि एलोफेटिक है? एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड है कि एलिफेटिक कंपाउंड है?
Aromatic.
क्या ये बेंजीन रिंग है? हाँ, बेंजीन रिंग होने से क्या होता? बेंजीन रिंग होने से यहाँ पे क्या होता?
अंदर गोल होता है।
गोल होता या 3 टू डबल बॉन्ड होता। तुम लोगों के दुनिया का सब केमिस्ट्री टीचर का सिलीगुड़ी को खून कर दूंगा मैं। 11 में कहाँ में से पढ़ के आते हो, तो ये उल्टा ये सब 11 में जानना चाहिए। तो मैं तो अपने बच्चों को 11 को ही सिखा दूंगा ये सब। ये क्या है? उड़े बाप रे, देख के ही डर गया मैं। एक्चुअली ये डबल बॉन्ड है, राइट? तो डाइन तो पक्का। यहाँ पे CHO दिख रहा है, मतलब एल्डिहाइड तो है। कीटोन कहीं है ही नहीं बे, एल्डिहाइड का नाम दे तो एनीवे लॉन्गेस्ट चेन ढूंढो। देखो CHO जहाँ ऑर्गेनिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप हमेशा, हाँ, तो ये नंबर 1, नंबर 2, नंबर 3, नंबर 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 लॉन्गेस्ट चेन। तो ऑक्टा, राइट और रॉन्ग? तो थर्ड पोजीशन में मिथाइल, 7 पोजीशन में मिथाइल। सो 3,7 डाई मिथाइल, ऑक्टा 2,6 डाई इन है ना, 2 सेकेंड पोजीशन और 6 पोजीशन में 1L लिखा नहीं है लेकिन लिखना चाहिए। एक्चुअली इसका नाम 3,7 डाई मिथाइल ऑक्टा 2,6 डाई इन 1L। क्यों 1L? क्योंकि ये आया चीज़ टू समझ में। अच्छा ये क्या है? 1 2 3 4 5 6, राइट और रॉन्ग? 1 2 3 4 5 6। तो ये अमाइनो ग्रुप है। इसको क्या ग्रुप बोलते हैं? अमाइनो। इसको, ये अल्कोहल है, हाँ, और ये कीटोन है। लेकिन कीटोन के प्रेजेंस में अगर अल्कोहल रहेगा तो कीटोन को प्रेफरेंस मिलता है, अल्कोहल को नहीं। क्या बोला मैंने?
अगर कीटोन के प्रेजेंस में अल्कोहल रहेगा तो कीटोन को ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस मिलता है, अल्कोहल को नहीं मिलता।
और एमाइन भी रहेगा तो भी कीटोन को प्रेफरेंस मिलता है। तो अगर कभी कभी क्या करते हैं हम लोग, मल्टीपल फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स होता है, तो इन फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स को हम लोग प्रीफिक्स में, सफिक्स में नहीं डाल के प्रीफिक्स में डाल देते हैं। जैसे 5 अमाइनो 4 हाइड्रोक्सी, ऑल तो नहीं बनेगा अल्कोहल का क्योंकि प्रेफरेंस ही नहीं है इसका। 4 हाइड्रोक्सी हेक्सान 3 ओन। अगर तुम बोलते कि नहीं सर मुझे ऐसे नाम देना है, 5 अमाइनो हेक्सान 4 ऑल 3 ओन, तो भी करेक्ट होता है। 5 अमाइनो हेक्सान 4 ऑल 3 ओन, तो भी गलत नहीं होता। फिर भी तो मैं प्रेफरेंस तो उनकी दे रहा हूँ ना, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं लिखते हैं, कभी कभी 4 हाइड्रोक्सी लिख देते हैं। आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
बोथ आर करेक्ट ना?
बोथ आर करेक्ट। अंडरस्टूड? अच्छा 1 2 3 ये एल्डिहाइड है। 1 2 ये CHO है, मतलब एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप है। तो एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप है, मतलब 1 2 3 हुआ, राइट और रॉन्ग? तो अगर 1 2 3 हुआ तो सेकेंड पोजीशन में ये है। ये न्यूक्लियर सब्स्टिट्यूटेड है कि साइड चेन सब्स्टिट्यूटेड है? हाँ, तो 2 फिनाइल प्रोपानल, प्रोपान 1L। ईजी? अंडरस्टूड?